Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to make a decorative fabric panel using your Arrow tools. You will need a canvas frame and fabric of your choice. We recommend pressing the fabric beforehand to prevent wrinkles. Lay the fabric out and place the frame on top. The fabric should be a few inches larger than the frame so that you can wrap the fabric around it. Next, staple the fabric to the frame with your T50ACD Electric Staple Gun using 1/4 inch T50 staples. Start on any side you like and then staple the side across from it. Make sure the fabric stays straight and keep it pulled taut. You can fold the edges up to make it look neater. Repeat this process for the remaining two sides. When you reach a corner, fold it as tight as possible to give the best look. You can use scissors to trim excess material if needed. Now you're ready to hang it up using hanging hardware of your choice. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. For downloadable instructions for this project and for other projects, visit arrowfastener.com/projects.